hi. My name is Abe Perez. I'm the drummer slash percussionist in the band Glasspirits. I have at this time 9 drum sets, and I have 3 LP sets of congas, and then I have 4 sets of bongos. They're all LPs except for one's a Pearl. I fell in love with it. And I have 3 cajones at this time. So I do endorse Spaun Drums and Scymtek cymbals, and I want to talk a little bit about myself and my influences in music and about my equipment. I made a set since I grew up in the hippie days with that whole flower power thing and Jimi Hendrix and the Cream and Led Zeppelin and all that. I have a white set. It's actually an off-white set, almost like a cream white, with, purple and gold hardware, candy purple, and then it has peace signs and yin and yangs in purple. One drum has a big yin and yang. Another drum will have a big peace sign. The bass drum has one of each on each side. And then the snare all around has peace signs and yin and yang, an actual peace sign of the 2 fingers peace sign that people give like Ringo Starr always does. And the snare is all gold, all 24 karat gold. So that's a very unique set. A lot of people love it. And that's it for that.
You want to see us live? Track us on bandsintown.com. If you like our content, leave a comment, subscribe, like, follow. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Tell us in the comments what you're going to do. How are you going to make it?
There'll be times when my crimes will seem almost undone.